The title of the course, International Investments in Developing Countries, China and Africa, tells you a lot about the course. When you cross a border, a lot of things change for a lawyer. A lot of things change for a business advisor. Foreign exchange, political issues, political risk, capital controls, intellectual property, and that crossing the border is picked up by the word international. Why developing countries? China has been a developing country, but now China is an investor in Africa and Latin America and the Middle East. The issues raised there are very profound for the development of these countries. And what I think is also important is for students to realize how exciting Africa is these days and the possibilities in Africa. And therefore, as part of the course, students master the political and economic background of at least one African country, and then look at how that country views Chinese investment. One of the most interesting aspects of this, of course, is that China 30 years ago was poor and very much a developing country. Now it's a world economic power. However, China's experience in encouraging foreign investment, and most particularly the conditions that China placed on foreign investors so that China could learn joint ventures, co-management, transfer of intellectual property. What I hope will happen in Africa, and what I encourage the students to consider, is how African countries can apply China's own conditions to the investment that China's making in Africa so that those countries also can develop their middle class, can develop their managerial class, and can grow and develop, hopefully, the way China did.